Hello, this is Ana, collaborator from Spotahome. Here we are in Carrera Recreativa. We're going to visit this studio. This is a co-living space, so I'm going to show you the studio. And know that you have a laundry room area that is shared. But that's all. You have private kitchen, a private bathroom. So I'm going to show you now. This is the entrance. You have a couch and a table. You have the bathroom over here. You have the sink, mirror on the wall, the toilet, and the shower. You have a small open closet there to put your stuff. Over here we have the kitchen, and we have a table with 2 chairs. This is a street view window. And on the kitchen you have microwave, you have the fridge, you have an induction heat, you have kitchen appliances that you can use, as well as pots. Really nice studio. And you have the bed over here. This is the bedroom. Kind of an attic space. You have a double bed, bedside table, you have a bookshelf there, and a hanger there where you can put your clothes. You also have a small window over there. And you have a fan on the ceiling. So really nice studio. This is an area called Benicalap, close to the center of Valencia. Well connected. You have a tram station 4 minutes away, and you have a subway station maybe 10 minutes away. So you can get from here to anywhere in the city that you need to. And it's a quiet neighborhood. You have supermarket close. Everything that you need. And this is it. Thank you and goodbye.